From the Millersville University Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Kyle Elliott.
And I'm student meteorologist Mitchell Cocaine.
Here with the medium range forecast and video discussion issued on Wednesday, April 1st. Well, Mitch, taking a look out the window. It's cloudy out there right now, but I do expect some sun to return later this morning, and it's no April Fool's joke to say we're probably going to hit 80 degrees yet again this afternoon.
Yeah, we probably are, and I'm looking forward to it. It's great to be able to come over to Caputo and no jacket.
Yes.
Despite no sunlight or not a lot of sun coming through the clouds or anything, it's not too bad.
Yeah, it's
I'm okay with that.
really nice morning out there. We're already up to about 70 degrees, and it's only 9:30. So winter's in the rearview mirror. It's time to get on with spring. So as we move forward then later into this week and the upcoming weekend, which is Easter weekend, I am expecting a cold frontal passage later this afternoon and this evening, so that'll be accompanied by some showers and thunderstorms. I'm not really expecting any severe weather out of this, but some of the strongest storms could produce locally heavy downpours and wind gusts of 40 to 50 miles per hour. In the wake of the front, we're actually going to be dealing with some easterly flow tomorrow. So tomorrow will essentially act like a backdoor cold front. That front's going to end up dammed up against the eastern slopes of the Appalachians. So tomorrow will be cloudy and significantly cooler, but the good news is that front is going to retreat back northeastward as a warm front Thursday night into Friday. By Friday afternoon, southwesterly flow returns, causes those low clouds to break up, and high temperatures Friday afternoon should be back in the mid-70s to perhaps 80 degrees. As we move forward then into the start of Easter weekend, it's going to be even warmer. In fact, I'm expecting record-breaking warmth across much of the Lower Susquehanna Valley Saturday afternoon. You'll notice the storm system over the Great Lakes region and a cold front trailing southward from that low pressure system. We're going to be deep in that system's warm sector on Saturday, both on the Euro and the Canadian. They're in good agreement here. The Canadian is a little bit faster with the speed of that cold front. That will have some implications on Sunday's forecast. But before we get there, Saturday looks like an awesome day to get outside, enjoy the sunshine in shorts and t-shirts. And the record high of 83 degrees here at Millersville from 1921 will likely be tied or broken Saturday afternoon. So some just astonishing warmth by early April standards. But as we move forward then into Easter Sunday, if the Canadians right, that cold front by 2 o'clock is already along the I-95 corridor. The Euro is about 4 to 5 hours slower with that cold frontal passage. However, I am favoring the Canadian solution right now because the GFS agrees with it. And the new 60 Euro, which I'm not showing here, did speed up the timing by about 3 to 4 hours. So right now, I expect that front to move through the Lower Susquehanna Valley during the mid to late morning hours. And because of that timing, I'm not really expecting any severe weather. Instead, I'm expecting a period of showers or perhaps a period of steadier rain with a few embedded rumbles of thunder. So you'll definitely need the umbrella for Sunday morning and perhaps even Sunday evening church services on Easter. But other than that, still looks like a pretty mild day ahead of the front with highs in the 70s. However, temps are going to fall significantly behind that cold frontal passage. And early next week, Mitch, it looks like it's going to turn a lot cooler, doesn't it?
Yeah, unfortunately, it is going to turn a lot cooler, especially when we get that northwesterly flow behind that cold front. It's going to provide us with at least more sunnier conditions compared to Sunday. And we're going to get a little breeze along with that, too. So we're going to look at lows in the low 50s. Highs in the low 50s on Monday. And taking a look at Tuesday, we're going to move into Tuesday. There is a little weak disturbance there over the south, the state of Pennsylvania. I can say the state of Pennsylvania. And that might bring a stray shower or a few showers, to the area around here. But looking out the extended outlook out here, we really don't know what's going to happen at this point.
It's a
if I had to say, we're probably going to be pretty dry here in the Lower Susquehanna Valley on Tuesday. But again, mix of clouds and sun and highs in the low 50s as well. So unfortunately, Monday and Tuesday, the start of the work week is going to be not as good as what the weekend will be.
Yeah, definitely not. A lot chillier, definitely back to a taste of reality. So as we take a look at the medium range campus weather service forecast, mostly sunny on Saturday with record-breaking warmth, high 84. Mostly cloudy and still quite mild on Sunday with scattered showers and thunderstorms, high 72. Again, like Mitch said, looking forward into early next week. Monday turns mostly sunny, brisk, and much cooler. Highs in the low 50s, so again, you'll need a jacket or sweatshirt out there. And then looking forward into Tuesday, mix of clouds and sun, possible stray shower around, but most of the day should be dry. Highs again in the low 50s. Well, that'll do it for this edition of the Medium Range Forecast. Tune back in next Wednesday for the latest edition. Until then, enjoy the record warmth on Saturday and have a great Easter weekend.